Go.
Can you see what it is? Don't tell him, Elena.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Go. Oh, I know what it is.
Go, Aiden.
I know what it is.
I know what it is. It's a new bicycle.
Lena! Lena!
You just had to tell him.
What?
Gosh, Lena!
I keep secrets from Aiden.
Lena!
What do you think, Aiden?
Thank you. Uh-oh.
Is it your own bike?
I remember Papa was about 3 years old when he got a bike that big.
Hey, Aiden, you want to try riding it?
Yeah. Aiden, you won't fall off.
Here, I'll take it out from there. Here, Aiden. I'll take it out from here. Careful, Luke. Guys, move, Luke.
Whoa! It's cool.
It's a Jeep.
Okay, look. Do you know how you do it? You go like this.
Pedal.
Too heavy for it.
Okay, here, try it, Aiden. Get on.
Full suspension.
Can you reach the pedals?
Yeah.
It's just like Curious George.
Go, Aiden. It's okay.
If we
Go,
need to
Bill.
lower it a little, then we can lower
Careful, Lucas' hands.
Well,
Does the
No,
seat
Luke.
lower?
watch. Just press on the wheel, Aiden.
Does
It's
the
okay.
seat lower?
Lower.
You're kidding.
The seat doesn't lower.
Oh, man. Aiden, push this one this way.
Maybe the suspension was.
Whoa.